Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Windows 10 device back to your factory settings. So this is actually quite simple. All you need to do is just open, start your PC or laptop, doesn't matter. And then you should be able to click right there, type here to search. And then all you search for is reset. Now once you do that, you'll find reset this PC. If you then click on open right there, you will be sent over to this page where you can actually get started resetting your PC. So if your PC isn't running well, resetting might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So if you do it like this, you'll actually reset to your factory settings, and you can also choose to keep your personal files or to remove them. So if you click on get started right there, they're going to ask you whether you want to keep your files. So they'll remove the apps and all the settings, so your new settings, but it keeps your personal files. So if you have documents and all of that, it will keep those files, which is awesome in my opinion, because if you have if you're having some problems with your PC, but you don't want to lose all of those files, you can actually keep them, but still reset it to factory settings. Now you can also choose to remove everything, so all your files, apps, and settings. So basically choose the one you like, and you can then do that. So if you click on reset but keep your files, all you need to do next is click on next and then click on get started, and it will then reset your PC. And it works exactly the same if you want to remove everything. You click right there and you then go ahead and do that. Now, I'm not interested in doing that since I don't want to reset my PC. However, if that's what you're trying to do, this should work. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.